Hello everyone, this is Tim with Tim the Poor Artist, and I'm going to go ahead and attempt another flower. That last one just turned out amazing. In fact, I just finished that video about 15 minutes ago. I was so excited about how it turned out, I got to try it again. This time I'm going to use a black. I'm going to use the same colors as I used in the last one. So you got the black, marine blue, gold, and I've got a 14 karat gold. I know there's not a whole lot in there. I'm not going to use a whole lot. And then some green, and then of course black and white. And all of these are mixed the same. They're all 3-to-1, even my pillow. So this time I'm going to start out with a black. Whew. Just don't know what's going to show up nowadays. Sure we're centered. So this is a little 8x8 canvas. And wow, that last one turned out so impressive. I was just blown away. I'm really liking this art. I hope you guys are liking these videos as much as I'm enjoying putting them together. This is really changing my life a bit here. It's really helping me out. Need a little bit more here. I get that edge, so I don't have to deal with it later. What a messy hobby, man. But I actually started painting when I was in high school. I did oil paintings. I hated acrylic at the time. But then after I got out of high school, I kind of gave up on it. Didn't paint anymore for 30 years. And then I finally picked up a palette again. Is what we did is we went to a sip and paint festival my cousins invited us to, my wife and I. It was around my birthday time, so I thought, all right, what the heck, I'll go. I went. I painted a beautiful little landscape of a river scene, and wow, I was like, I think I can actually do this again. So that was my birthday month. Next thing I know, I'm getting acrylic paint sets for my birthday, and a friend of the family, she went to this is some of that dragon glaze again. I liked how it helped the last painting, so I'm going to put some more in this one. But anyways, she went to an estate sale, and she found a bunch of oil paints and stuff for sale, just all kinds of art supplies. I mean, like $1,000 worth. And picked it up for practically nothing, and turned around and gifted it to me. So that kind of started my art adventure. Ooh, this one looks like I'm actually level. Huh. Awesome. Whoop. Don't do that, Timothy. Slow down. You got plenty of time. I don't know, I can't wait till that one dries so I see how this dragon glaze works out. It looks just like a pouring medium. See, it's white. It's thick. So, I guess it helps with the gloss. It gives a shimmery, shiny shine. Oh, let's see. I don't even know what order I was on these colors, but it don't really matter. You just do it till you're done. I don't know. I was never a singer. I probably shouldn't be one either. Like the black in the middle. There we go. Let's Not sure. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, that's coming out kind of cool. This little pattern there. I think my table's level now. It looks like everything is spreading out really nice. Let's put... That green does look pretty darn good. Oop, oop. I dropped one in the painting yesterday, or earlier. It's going to be my call sign. Drop your paint. Put the rest of this in there. Oh, see what it does. See what it does. I just need a ticky bit of white. There we go. Okay, I think I'm done with that part. So, I have an idea of seeing done. Let's just leave that a little bit. That doesn't work, I guess. Now you just see my bald head. Let's pick it up. All right. Okay. Seeing it where they've taken a marble, set a marble in there, and then you roll it around on your painting, kind of get a design going on. So I thought I might try this before I pull up. So let's set it right there. This is going to be fun. I'm going to get a little bit lower here. Y'all ready for this? Alrighty. You can't let it off of the painting. Look at those. Oh, how cool is this? Okay, I told my mom I was painting with a blow dryer and she about lost it. My mom's 80 years old. She has Alzheimer's and dementia really bad. And so when I go and see her, I show her my painting videos and she just goes nuts. She just loves it. She's like, how in the heck are you painting with a blow dryer? I said, Mom, it's the new thing, man. This is pretty incredible. It's like, here's the hard part. When do you stop? I think I'm going to stop there. Alrighty. Right on. Right on. This is pretty cush. See, if I do a pull on this now, I can just spin it. I think I'm just going to spin it. I haven't really done a spin yet with this table. This new table I have here, so we'll see what happens, huh? I think it's kind of cool. Look at that sheen. That is gorgeous. Wow. And I know you can't see it when I dip it that way. I'm sorry. I'm trying. What do you think? Like, yeah, I want to leave that negative space there. I like it. I like it. I like it. Wow. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. Okay, I need to hit it with the torch. Give me a second here to get a little bit of the paint off of my fingers. If I get it all off, then nobody will think I'm a real artist. So let's check this out. Let's see what happens. Now, there's no silicone in this paint whatsoever. Just that glaze, so I'm just popping any bubbles. So let's see what happens here. I think this is awesome. Yeah, I think it deserves a spin. It may not move much right now because it looks like it's already pretty settled. Wow. Did I ruin it or did I help it? Wow. No cells, but it's different. Oh! See what happens? Even to me. No, my painting's not centered. Wow, I gotta figure out a way to anchor that puppy. Okay, I'm done torturing this poor guy. I see some bubbles coming up. All right, let's see what kind of a sheen we wind up with this one. Okay, let me pause you, bring you in for a close-up. All right, guys. Look at that. See the gold flakes? Not sure where the sheen's going to come up at, but we'll find out as it dries. This was fun. The marble. Did you know you could do a pour with a marble? Wow. Let's go up the middle for you. Look at that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm very thankful for all of you that have. We're helping this channel grow. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye. Yeah, see the color change? The purple there and the blue, watch. Top, watch. That goes away. Yeah, there's other parts too. That's with the dragon glaze added to the color. That's on the marble pour. There you go.